guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create like a glow outer circle, I guess, around like your rounded shape on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to like delete the background real quick. Just like quickly delete that and add in like a shadow, and I'm just going to then I'm going to add in a color that I want, like this purple one, to be like the color of the glow. I guess like this one should work better because it's more vibrant. So definitely select a more vibrant color than like a pastel color. I'm just also going to rotate it 90 degrees. I'm just going to type it honestly. Scale it up, go to mask and go to circle, and you're going to just kind of like create this like circle, and then you're going to feather it out, and as you can see it creates this like glow to it. If you don't want a lot, just make it like this, I guess. Okay, I think it's better if you don't feather it out that much. Hold on. Going to feather it out. I'm just going to also copy and paste it and like have another layer going, but like feather it just a little bit so it looks like this. I'm just going to also adjust the size of the first one so it's not too much. You can also adjust like the opacity here as well and like try to find like a good blend mode for it. Maybe like this one, and I might like add in this as like the background of the space. And you can see like the glow here. You can't see much because it's like the same color, like this gradient. If I turn down the opacity, you'll see that outer glow. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!